Hello everybody, it's me, Matteo, and today I welcome you here on the trails for a review of the Hobbywing Fusion 2-in-1 brushless system. Let's see how it performs on the trails. By the way, as you can see, I have installed new wheels on my CFX Chimney J4. You can find the link to these products in the video description. And now, I had the original tires left, and so I installed one as spare tire at the rear. But now, let's see how the Hobbywing Fusion performs. I have to say I'm really impressed how sensitive and smooth this brushless system works. It's so good controllable over obstacles, upwards and downwards. It's really a pleasure. Let's see here on a bit different conditions. It's sandy and steeper, but I have still the perfect control, forwards and backwards. I feel also the new tires works much better than the original ones. Now let's take off the body and see some details. Here you can see the motor. And here, under this red cover, the electronic speed controller is directly integrated in the motor housing. At this time I used the motor for about 1 hour and the motor is not hot. It's a little bit warm, but not hot. I think there is no problem with heat so far. If we like to change some parameters on the ESC, it's possible to do this here on the trails. First, we have to switch off the system. Next, I can remove the rubber cap on the switch. Then connect the cable of the programming card on the switch. Now, after turn on the power again, the card shows all the programmed parameters. With the item button I can switch through the parameters, and with the value button I can change the settings. The meaning of the item numbers are explained directly on the card. Here I have disabled the throttle matching function by selecting value 2 on item 1. For me it works better that way. The next important adjustment is item 7, the drag brake force. I have this value still on 5. This is about 50% drag brake. These settings works fine with my CFX Chimney. Of course, these parameters are not for all trucks the same. The weight of the truck, the transmission, the size and other factors are important and need some different adjustments of these parameters. If all settings are done, I can push the OK button and turn off the system. Remove the cable and reinstall the rubber cap. And after restart the system, it's ready to use. And again, here you can see how slow and good controllable this brushless combo works. Also downwards, the ESC works great. It's possible to stop the truck immediately and go ahead again without an uncontrollable jump. And also when we need a bit more power, this is not a problem. So this Quicrun Fusion has passed this field test with flying colors. It's a brilliant motor combo for a crawler, and I can recommend it without hesitation. Now I say thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you liked this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. See you next time.